is your house under construction?
Since last June, we moved out for the summer, expecting it to be done in September. And we had, you know, a couple of delays. We're almost, you know, back on the move. We plan on being back in this September.
How has that affected work life?
Actually, believe it or not, it's been better for work life because I used to work out of my house, and this way, because I didn't have that space available to see clients, I was forced to get an office, which I absolutely love. And so much opportunity has come from that. It wound up being a blessing in disguise. So I'm grateful, you know, that wound up happening, and I'm gonna wind up getting a better house out of it. My project it was a happy accident. Seriously? You have to be more careful. You know, just because I'm on vacation. If anything, this is more work than normal because I can't just buy something on the go and grab them lunch. Like, I actually have to prep it in order to go down because it's Passover. So it's actually a little bit more work, but it's all good. Computer, my phone, charger. Momo, you're gonna hold the towels. Adele's gonna hold the cooler. I have the other food. Okay? Very cute. Adele, slow down. You're holding my hat for me.
It's not called holding.
It's not called holding it? What's it called?
Putting it on your head.
Oh, you're putting it on your head? Okay.
What's that project you're working on right now?
Well, I'm working on a bunch of different projects. Right now, I'm going to set up my notes for my bookkeeper so she knows exactly what to bill for. And my project coordinator will know exactly what to order based on my notes for the bookkeeper.
What do you think of her ventures as a vlogger?
It's great.
Come on, be more specific.
Unbelievable.
What makes you guys work together as a team? What makes you guys special?
What's special is fighting, getting over it, and dealing with it.
Learning how to communicate with each other. The truth is, we do make a very successful team. So I couldn't do this without him. You know why we make a good team? Because we're so different. We're two totally different people, and we balance each other out. Where I'm not afraid to take risks. He's much safer. So sometimes I feel like he's holding me back, but it's not the case. He just wants me to slow down and think, and I'm way more impulsive and spontaneous, and like I'll just figure it out as I go. And he's more mindful about having a little bit more.
Gotta look into it first. Research. She just does the I'll figure it out. She does figure it out. She always figures it out.
I always figure it out.
Figured it out.
No.
And I got the more trust in that.
Right. You were able to
figuring it out.
Exactly. He
Yes.
was able to believe me more, and he would
like her on Instagram and like her on Facebook. Going back to watch Billions.
Is that what you're watching?
Yeah.
Enjoy while I sit here and do work.